Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make Taskbar transparent on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is you have to go to Microsoft Store and install a software for this because Windows doesn't have any built-in option to do this. So now just go ahead and open up Microsoft Store and in search, just search for translucent TV. That's what we want. Just go ahead and install this. Then just give it some time. It will download and install it for you. Just wait patiently. And there you go. It has been downloaded. Just open it. You can minimize your Microsoft Store now. And there you go. As you can see, our taskbar has been transparent. And basically that is how to make the taskbar transparent on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.